My thermometer read -40 this morning and my phone said -34, but it's always colder on the edge of town. And a few degrees doesn't matter in this cold anyways. I left early in the morning to pick bottles. There isn't a lot to find in winter, so I have to resort to picking through garbage cans. I walked over 2 kilometers at -40 for 90 cents. So in this first woodshed, it's almost empty. Lots of mouse turds down there. This one's almost empty too. You can see the bottom. But under this tarp here, I have about half a cord more wood. It's my reserve. I got my new winter sled all packed up with my winter camping gear. Just making sure it all fits. But I'll probably empty it later and go for a little run. I'm just taking my sled out for a little test run. I have it all loaded up with everything I take with me winter camping. It's definitely a little bit heavier than my other sled.